Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into OPM Services online, especially if you are a first-time user. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access the services you need. Step 1. Visit the OPM Services online website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official OPM Services online website URL, https www.opm.gov, https www.opm.gov. Press enter to navigate to the site. Step 2. Locate the login section. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button or link. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select New User Registration. If you are logging in for the first time, you will need to create an account. Look for an option that says New User, Register Here, or similar. Click on that link to begin the registration process. Step 4. Provide required information. You will be prompted to enter various personal details, such as your name, email address, date of birth, social security number, and any other requested information. Fill in all the fields accurately and ensure that your information matches what is on file with OPM. Step 5. Create a username and password. Choose a unique username and a strong password for your account. Make sure your password includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Step 6. Confirm your information. After inputting your details, review everything carefully. Make sure all the information is correct. Once you are sure everything is accurate, proceed by clicking the Submit button. Step 7. Verify your email. OPM will send a verification email to the address you provided during registration. Open your email inbox, locate the email from OPM, and click on the verification link included in the message to confirm your account. Step 8. Log into your account. Return to the OPM Services online login page. Enter your newly created username and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to access your account. Step 9. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to navigate through the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different services available, such as retirement services, insurance, and resources that you may need. Step 10. Log out securely. After you have finished using the services, remember to log out of your account for security reasons. Click on the Logout option, typically found in the same area as the Login section. Thank you for following our guide on how to log in to OPM Services online as a first-time user. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.